Alright guys, here's the final unboxing of the 4 trucks that I got today, which is the Training Trucks Dragon. And here we go. Here's the truck and here's the figure. It's kind of like a translucent green. I'm not going to show the poster because I'm sure you guys know what that looks like. So yeah. And like I said, this was the last truck I needed from Mix 8, and Training Trucks Megalodon was the last truck I need from Mix 4, so I only need to complete Mix 5 and 7 from Spin Master Monster Jam 2019, and those trucks I would need, are the Training Trucks Gravedigger and the Training Trucks Zombie, and then I will have basically all the training trucks. So yeah, so this one's really cool. People did kind of complain about the green roll cage on the Training Trucks Dragon, but I think it looks cool. Some people were saying that they could have done like a orange roll cage, but I mean, like, so I guess some people are, so I guess this is like one of the underrated training trucks, but I think it's cool. So it's got these, I guess you could say, charcoal gray tire treads, yellow BKT printing, and then chrome green rims, which look awesome. Then the green roll cage, which I just pointed out. On the side panel it says Dragon with some like scars and everything, and then the Monster Jam logo. Then that same roof as the Training Trucks Megalodon. You got yellow stripes there, and then more scars and scuffs and buffs. And then side panel again. Definitely really cool. Yeah, so that was the Training Trucks Dragon. If you're wondering what I did with the figure, I put it in a bag and put it away with the other Monster Jam accessories, but that doesn't matter. The truck is the most important thing. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the unboxing of the Training Trucks Dragon. If you did, please give it a like. Smash the subscribe button if you're new. Turn on the bell for post notifications, and just like Training Trucks Megalodon, Super Trucker, and Primeval, this will also make its debut in Sign Up Series number 23. So look forward to that. Alright guys, so this was the last unboxing video for today. I hope you enjoyed them all, and yeah. And I decided that the Sign Up Series 22 event will be Friday, so also look forward to that. Otherwise, I don't have much more to say, so see you guys next time. Peace.